Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. Good morning to each and everyone. My name is Divine Grace Q. Umbrosa from BSCD2B. So our topic is all about the 11 types of economic theory. What is an economic theory? An economic theory is a set of ideas and principles that outline how different economics function depending on their particular role. An economist may employ theories for different purposes. So, for instance, some theories aim to describe particular economic phenomena such as inflation or supply and demand and why they occur. Other economic theories may provide a framework of thought that allows economists to analyze, interpret, and predict the behavior of financial markets, industries, and government. Open thought economists apply theories for issue or occurrence they observe to glean useful insight, provide explanations, and generate potential solutions to problems. In this article, we outline what an economic theory is and explain 11 of the most commonly applied economic theories. So the first is supply and demand. Supply and demand is a theory in microeconomics that offers an economic model for price determination. This theory states that the unit price for a good or service may vary until it settles at a point of economics equilibrium, or when the quantity at which consumers demand a good equals the quantity at which a consumer supplies it. For example, as the supply of a good or service decreases and consumers' demand persists, the price of may skyrocket. In this case, the demand is greater than the supply. Number two, classical economics. Classical economics is an art of thought established by early economists and political thinkers Adam Smith, John Stuart Mill, and others. The primary theory of classical economics states that market economies are by definition self-regulating systems that are ruled by the law of productions and exchange. With the basis, Smith also introduced the invisible hand, a metaphorical concept and justification for free markets that imply individuals acting within their own self-interest rather generate social benefits and the public good. Number three, Keynesian economics. Keynesian economics consists of multiple macroeconomics theories and models that offer explanations for how aggregate demands, the entirety of an economy's spending impacts phenomena like economics output and inflation. The control ideas of Keynesian thought is that aggregate demands doesn't inherently to the productive capacity of an economy, but rather that a variety of factors, both public and private, determine it. Number four, maltuition. Maltuition refers to the idea that while population growth may be exponential, the growth of food supply and the supply of other resources is linear. This theory states that when a population grows over time and outpaces a society's ability to produce resources, its standard of living may reduce and trigger a large depopulations event. Number five, Marxism. Marxism is a type of socioeconomics theory that interprets capitalism impact on an economy's development, labor, and productivity. This theory emphasizes the capitalist classes, the bourgeoisie or the ruling class, and the Proletariat or the working class in Marxism. The bourgeoisie control the means of productions and proletariat owns the labor that produce economic goods with value. So that's all and to be continued of Rihanna Muhammad.